Google just created a digital insect, a fruit fly, that lives inside your computer and walks, flies, and sees as if it is real. But how? Well, the team started by carefully creating the fly's body and built a highly detailed 3D model using Mujoco, a physics simulator. But a body needs a brain to function. So next, the team set out to build its brain and collected massive amounts of videos of real fruit flies and trained. A special AI model is teaching it exactly how the fly walk on table make sharp turns, mid-flight, or buzz through the air. Once trained, they let this brain control the fly's body in the simulator, and the result amazed everyone. It moved exactly like a real fly would, buzzing, turning, and adjusting its speed. What's crazy is that this digital fly could also see and respond to its surroundings by processing real-time visual inputs inside the simulator, something only real flies can do. But why even bother creating a digital fly? Well, think about its implications. If this tech holds up, we wouldn't need to subject animals to harmful experiments anymore. Instead, we could create digital animals like mice or zebrafish and run as many experiments as we want. Not just this, scientists could also use these digital animals and tweak different factors to understand how animal brains work and influence behavior. What do you think? Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next video.